Welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be putting you through how to participate in Bool Network Testnet. Before we dive right into the tutorial, if our content have been helpful to you, you can support our channel by buying our educational token, WikiCat, built on the Binance Smart Chain Network. Right in the description, you can get the contract address of WikiCat. Okay guys, so let's dive right into today's tutorial. We're going to start with opening Mrs. Browser. Alright, so I'm going to open the link to the testnet, paste, search. Alright guys, so as you can see on our screen, it's actually kind of like a point system kind of thing, right? So you complete tasks and do quests and engagements, and then you earn points. Alright, so first off, we're going to connect our wallet. So tap connect wallet, Metamask. Okay, so we have to switch network to Bool Testnet. Probably the network have been added to our wallet. So select Bool, select approve, switch network, sign in, sign. Okay guys, so we are all set. So as you can see, this is your total points, right? Like your aggregate point. And then as you can see on our dashboard, there are basically 3 ways of earning points. You can earn points from bridging, you can earn from staking, you can earn from social tax. So for bridging, you're going to need some real funds in your Bitcoin wallet to actually bridge, and bridging earns you points and tBOL test tokens. While staking, you need test token to stake, and you can earn your test token tBOL from using their bridge, and also you can request for your test token on their Faucet. So if you have funds in your Bitcoin wallet, you can do some Bitcoin bridging, right? So by tapping bridge, so you can connect any of these Bitcoin wallets. Once you connect, if you have some Bitcoin in your wallet, you can bridge your Bitcoin from Bitcoin network to Satoshi VM network or any of these network, right? So I think doing this will automatically earn you points, and aside points, it will also earn you some tBOL token. So if you use their bridge, right, it's going to show the number of transactions that you have carried out on their bridge, and then it's going to show the amount that is claimable for the transaction that you have done, and then you can claim by tapping claim, right? You can also stake your tBOL token, right? By staking, you also earn tBOL, right? So tap stake. So the tBOL token that you've earned from using their bridge, right, or from their Faucet, I'm going to show you how to do that. You can decide to stake them here, right? So tap on vote and stake. Next, input the amount of tBOL that you want to stake. Say you want to stake 30, and then select submit, right? I think that's pretty much it. Let's go back. So guys, like I said, another way you can earn tBOL is by requesting from their Faucet. So you go over to their Faucet. I think I have it open somewhere. Okay, here. Okay, so what you do is connect your wallets. One thing about requesting for tBOL is that it's kind of like not free, right? You have to stake your USDT. So if you do not have USDT in your wallet, you cannot request for tBOL token. So they claim that the USDT will be refunded to you once the testnet period is over. For each USDT you stake, you get 10 tBOL, right? So you input the amount of USDT that you want to stake. So you can choose from any of these depending on the network where you have your USDT, and then you select transfer. And then once you select transfer, you should see your tBOL in your wallet. So apart from the tBOL that you get to earn from bridging and staking, I think you will also have points for bridging and staking your funds. So once you have staked your funds, this is where you see the amount of tBOL that you have earned from your staked funds. So if you do not have funds to do any of this, because these engagements are somehow not, free, you need funds to actually do them, right? You can earn points from referring your friends. You can share your invite code and then have your friends register and set up their account, and then you get 10% of their total points. Also, you can earn points from social tax. So this one is free and everyone and anyone can do this, right? So just tap on go. Okay, so select join. Alright, so you can see that these are tags to do. There are lots of tags here, right? So majoring on the social engagement is not a bad idea. So it's pretty easy. So we're just going to do one tags and then you can do the rest yourself. So this first tag says quote a tweet and tag 3 friends. So let's do that. Let's quote. So we're going to connect our account, authorize. Okay, so quotes. Okay, so let's go back, verify and claim. Our tags have been verified and we have gotten our points. So guys, you want to go through this long list of tags and complete as many as you can complete. And also you want to come back as frequent as possible for new tags, have them completed and earn your points, right? So that's basically it for socials. Alright guys, so that'll be all for now. Thank you for watching the tutorial video. Please do drop your questions in the comment section if you have questions to ask about the tutorial. Of course, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next tutorial guys. Bye.